The angels are singing. I love it. These look like teeth. Hi, I'm Dr. Barry Bartusiak. I'm from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I'm a dentist there.
This is a standard Zirconia crown.
This is fairly standard issue stuff. There's no transparency whatsoever. It'll get the job done, akin to getting a hamburger from McDonald's. It is what it is, you know what you're getting, but it's not a steak from Capitol Grill or Del Frisco's.
This is Dandy's new Polychromatic Shade crown.
The angels are singing. I love it. You can see the differences in the gradients of color. These look like teeth. You can see layers, you can see anatomy, you can see that this is painstakingly detail-oriented.
Well, what if I told you that that new Polychromatic Shade crown is only $99?
The angels are again singing, my friend. Not only are the angels singing, but my accountant's singing. So I would purchase this by the bucket load for $99. This is a no-brainer. This is a game changer. This, I don't even want to look at anymore. And this is the winner. I mean, it's literally the difference between night and day.